Do you want to be more likable? The world is full of not pleasant people, and you think you are not part of that group. In this video, I will show you 6 easy steps on how to be likable. In order to be likable, you need to understand what it is that people find likable. Then you need to put in the effort to develop the qualities that make people likable. Here are the 6 steps on how to be more likable. 1. Smile. One of the simplest ways to make someone like you is to smile. It's a natural way to show interest and engage with others. Smiling also makes you appear friendly, open, and positive. When you smile, you release neurochemicals that make you feel good, which in turn makes the person around you feel good too. 2. Make eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most important aspects of being likable. When you make eye contact with someone, you show that you're interested in them and listening. It also makes you appear confident and trustworthy. To make eye contact, look at the person's eyes when they're speaking to you. Don't stare, but maintain eye contact for as long as possible. If you find it difficult to make eye contact, try focusing on the person's eyebrows or nose. If you're not sure whether or not you're making eye contact, here are a few things to look out for. Are your eyes meeting? Are your eyes shifting around? Are your pupils dilated? And is your gaze breaking prematurely? 3. Be approachable. Being likable is about being approachable. Approachable people make others feel comfortable and safe. They aren't aloof or unapproachable. Approachable people are interested in others and take the time to get to know them. They aren't focused on themselves. Approachability is a critical ingredient in being likable. When you're open and friendly, people are drawn to you. It's easy to be approachable when you're genuinely interested in other people and their lives. Ask questions and listen attentively when they speak. 4. Show interest in others. To be more likable, you should first show interest in others. People love to feel important and interesting, so ask them questions about themselves and listen attentively. Pay attention to their body language and facial expressions to better understand what they're saying. You can also observe things they mention that show you were listening. For example, if someone tells you they just visited an art museum, you could say, "I love art museums. What was your favorite painting there?" This will make the other person feel validated and appreciated, which are both qualities that contribute to likability. 5. Listen actively. When it comes to being likable, most people think it's all about putting on a show and pretending to be someone they're not. But the truth is, being genuine and authentic will make you the most likable person in the room. People can see through a facade, and when they do, they won't trust or respect you. So how can you be more likable? It starts with listening actively. When you listen actively, you give your undivided attention to the speaking person. You make eye contact and wait until they are finished speaking before responding. 6. Be genuine. When it comes to being likable, being genuine is key. People can see through fake behavior and insincerity, so it's important to be authentic in your interactions. Be yourself and let your true personality shine through. Don't try to put on an act or be someone you're not. People will see right through that, and you won't be able to build genuine relationships. Be friendly and welcoming when you meet new people. Make an effort to connect with them and show interest in their lives. Listen attentively when they talk and ask questions about what they say. When you share something about yourself, be open and honest. Let people know the real you, flaws and all. They'll appreciate your honesty and will likely feel closer to you as a result. In conclusion, by following the simple tips mentioned in this video, you can become more likable in no time. People will be drawn to your positive energy and warmth, and you'll likely find that your social life improves. So go out there and start being more likable. If you enjoy watching this video, please support my channel by clicking on the like and subscribe button. Also, please consider watching my other videos to learn more about how you can improve yourself each day.